So I pretty much have the bike back together. Have the gears in, all working fine. I'm getting a new seat stem and a new seat. I am getting new tires, and we have new derailleur. I might get new wheels, not 100%. New drive. I swear to God, I'm not even joking with you. I bought this chain. I don't know if you can see it there. CNHG40. The biggest nightmare of a chain I've ever come across in my life. I am not even joking with you. It broke my melt. There it is, there, look, the link. And I swear to God, I'm not even joking. I spent an hour trying to get it together. Getting it apart, taking off links, and putting that part back on. Absolute nightmare. I wouldn't wish it on any man. New brakes, new V-brakes, new grips. Shimano gear levers. I'm waiting on my derailleur for the front. I was going to change this to a 21 speed, but I'm not going to. It's going to stay 18 now. My melt is absolutely broken. I'm not even joking with you. Pink housing, new cables, new brakes front and back, new levers. I had blue levers there that I wanted to use, but I didn't realise that the handles came all the same, all one piece of me. So I had no choice but to use them. I have the blue ones there for something else anyway, so yeah, I'm almost there finally, thank God. I'm waiting on tires. As you can clearly see, that is as bald as an egg. Tires, gonna get lights, seat stem, seat. Oh yeah, pedals. I'm gonna get pedals as well. So that'll be it then when it's finished. So pedals, seat stem, seat, lights. And that's it, finished. Stairs nice. There's no. I tried to get a quill stem for that there, and couldn't get it. It's a weird size. It's like it's even smaller than the handlebar. It's 21 point something. So I had no other choice but to go with what I had already. So people say it's probably from old stock. Say for me, bicycles, old bicycles. When I mentioned it to a couple of bike shops, they said that it was. They asked me, was it off a racer, and I told them no, a mountain bike, and they were very surprised. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna leave it there at that, and hopefully next week I'll have it finished up. Hopefully, but I'm waiting on tires, and I'm gonna get pedals, obviously. But happy with how it's turning out so far. So it's not all bad. And yep, just leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching, and this has been an experience. Thanks.